Hi boys and girls, my name is Jamaica.
My name's Layla.
And we're here today and we are going to do a really fun cooking project that doesn't involve baking with apples. So today we have 5 different kinds of apples. Layla, do you know the name of any of these apples? Granny Smith, good job. This one is what? Is it really sweet or is it more sour?
Sour.
Sour, really good for baking. And then, do you remember what this one's called?
No.
A Red Delicious.
Okay.
Red Delicious. And this is, I think, your favorite and my favorite. Honey Crisp.
Yeah,
it's really crunchy.
Yummy.
And this is a Fuji and this is a Gala. So we're gonna make some apple donuts today, but we need to pick some apples that we wanna use for our apple donuts. So why don't you pick an apple and I'll pick an apple.
I want this one.
Okay, the Red Delicious.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna do the Granny Smith. No, I'm gonna do the Honey Crisp. Honey Crisp. Okay?
Okay.
So let's move these ones out of the way. And we are going to get out an apple core. See this?
Yep.
And we're gonna push it through the middle of our apple, like this. Twist it, twist it, twist it. And we're gonna push it down. Do you wanna push it down? You have to really use your muscles. Ready? Oh, it's really hard, huh? There we go. Okay, I'm gonna push it just a little bit more. There we go. And voila. Now we have an apple
donut.
Apple donut. Okay, let's do yours. Ready? I'm gonna take our labels off of our apples. You don't want those. You don't want to eat those stickers. And now, do you want to try to do yours?
No, thank you.
You want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Use your muscles. There you go. And there's yours. So now that we've cored our apples, we are going to slice them into donuts so we can decorate them. Let's do yours, Layla. So we're gonna lay it on our side. And this first piece isn't gonna be as great to use because it doesn't sit flat. But this piece will be a good piece to use. Let's make it a little bigger. And we'll do one more. So you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4 apple donuts to decorate. And I will do 1, 2, 3. So now that our apples are cut, we're gonna decorate them with things that are sticky. So we can decorate them with, what's this?
Peanut butter.
Or
Cream cheese.
Or
Nutella.
do you remember what Nutella tastes like?
Chocolate.
Chocolate and hazelnuts. It's pretty yummy. But you could also use, what other things are sticky?
Honey. Jam.
Jam is a good one, yeah.
Applesauce. And
What do you put on a cake that's really sweet?
frosting.
Frosting. Frosting. It would be really yummy to do peanut butter and a jelly. You could make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich on an apple. That would be delicious. So we have some peanut butter and some Nutella and some cream cheese. And if you have a nut allergy at home, you could always use sunflower seed butter. We have some sunflower seeds right here that we're gonna use for decorating. And we also have some peanuts and
my favorite chocolate chips.
And what kind of cereal is this?
It is granola.
Granola and
Dried raisins.
ooh, these aren't dried raisins, but dried raisins would be really good. These are dried cranberries. So boys and girls, when you do this at home, you just want to cover the surface of your apple so that you get all sorts of yummy, sticky stuff on it. Oops, there goes the cream cheese. Finish our apple donuts. And Layla, what do you have on yours?
Peanut butter and chocolate chips.
I have Nutella and granola. Should we try them? Should we say cheers?
Cheers.
Okay. It's really good, huh? It's really crunchy, but then The Nutella is so sweet and creamy. How's yours?
Really good.
What's your favorite part of it?
The chocolate chips.
Of course. So come and visit us again here at JAMaROO Kids, and we're gonna do more cooking videos for you with apples and other fun ingredients. We hope that you have a great day. Bye.